Now let's double click the roughing operation, the OD roughing operations, and let's click on the home view, and I want you to zoom in to this groove over here, this location. You can see at these locations the cutter, roughing cutter is actually moving down. This might not be good for the tool. To change this, to solve these problems, what you need to do is to load the process by double click the second operations, and then click the process, and inside the process cancel the X minus movement, and then redo. Now you can see the cutter is not moving down. Next, we're going to create a finishing process. Make sure this empty space is selected, and before that we need to create a finishing tool, the second tool. I will select a 35-degree insert and tip radius, let's use back to 0.8, and square diameter, let's select this one, and I'm going to choose this holder, the first holder. So I'm going to use this tool as my finishing tool. Next, we'll create the finishing process, the contour process. Select this contour and override this. And we are using a second tool, so select this tool, do this. Okay. And I'm doing all the operations. And choose forward. Material only. For this, I will set the material only now, just for you to see. Later we're going to do something on this. And X minus, don't cut it, and the rest is okay. Please set the process as what I'm setting now. After setting the finishing process, make sure at the operation side, the third operation is empty and is selected and is in yellow color. And then we're going to select the same line again, same location. Make sure the top circle is selected and the direction is to the left hand side, this one. And then I'm going to extend also the start. I'm going to extend the start geometry to these locations, and then extend the starting point out of the material. And then I'm going to extend the end features to here, this geometry, and right click the end point, move start end point. For this time, I'm extend only 2 mm out of the part. Yeah, and close. After you select, then just select do it. And now you have a finishing operations. Now let's check the end and start point of the finishing operation, the third operations. For the end until 2 mm of the part, this is good. How about the start? The start, it looks like we start over here, somewhere near the part. This is not the locations that I intended, because I already extend the start point up to here. So why the cutting operations never start from this point, instead start inside the material? This is because of the parameters. So let's double click again the third process, and click here. This is because of this material only. If you choose this, the tool will always start inside the material, not outside. So because this is finishing operations, you want the start point to follow the geometry that you extend. Then you have to select this full options. Let's close this and redo. You can see now the finishing operation is starting right at the start of your geometry. Next, we're going to simulate this finishing process. Click stop. I'll rewind. Let's go to isometric view, make it smaller. Okay. Now I'm going to set the simulator to go fast forward, to simulate very fast, and stop at operation 3. How to do that? Right click here and select. You make sure the use operation stop is checked, and then select the set options start stop. I'll key in start at operations 1 or 0. Oh, sorry, minimum is 1. Start from 1, the first operations, and I want it to stop at the third operation, so that I can look at the finishing simulation step by step later on. Then apply, then close. After that, I will play fast forward. You can see it stopped at the third operations. Then I can select the next features step by step to see how my cutter is cutting the part. Next, I want to show you a good option of the simulator is to overlay the geometry. Right click here, select this overlay geometry. You can see now the geometry is appearing on the stock. Let's go to home view, and now you can actually checking the tool according to your geometry. Let's rewind, fast forward, and play step by step. So you can see now the finishing tool is cutting the remaining material. After the third OD finishings, if you zoom in this area over here, you can see this groove here still not yet cut. So next, I'm going to create a groove roughing process on this area and a finishing process also. Before that, we need to create the groove cutter. Let's off the simulator. Make sure you select the fourth operation to empty space here. And now I'm going to create a new cutter. Click on T3 over here, T3, and I'm going to create a groove now. Select this type of groove. Make sure you set the parameters, the two parameters as shown on the screen. Follow exactly. Next, we're going to do a groove roughing operations. Select the rough, put over here. Let's close this, and we're going to choose the tool number 3, put here. Add OD, choose a plunge. The angle is -90. The cut width maximum, let's say put 1.4, and over here we put first feed, the first plunging in feed rate. Let's put, if you want to reduce, you can put 50. For now, I just keep it to be same 100 and close. Make sure you on this X minus, and finishing stops. I will leave 0.2. It's okay. And maybe this operation, I decided not to use a constant surface feed. If you want it, you can on. So now I'll off it. I use this RPM and the feed, and that's it. Make sure the setting